Hi everybody, this is my little garden. It's about 3 by 12. So I started off by raking away all of the pine needles. Then I went to Home Depot and bought some tulips and some lavender. And when I got them home, I placed them in the little garden where I thought they would fit nicely. And then I planted them. Just dug around the bottoms of the flower pots so that I could fit them down into the soil. So I'm all done, but then there was a horrible rainstorm overnight. Oh, look what happened to my little garden after the storm. Look at all this debris. And look at my little baby tulips. Some of them just laying down. They just resting their head. Oh, they cold and they tired. Oh, look at this one. She just laying on down. Come on, baby, lift up your head. You can do it. You is beautiful. You is kind. You is important. Come on, baby. Lift up your head and be encouraged. Ain't that what the Lord said? Look at these babies. They just laying down. Oh, all my hard work.
So she's standing up a little bit. I'm gonna give her some support by putting some soil up underneath her stem. She's all the way up now. She's all the way up. The leaf won't stay up. Got a row of lavender in the back, mixed in purple tulips down the middle, and then red tulips down the front. And this is how it turned out. So we'll come back in about 2-3 weeks and see how much they bloom. My babies, they grew up so nice. It's that baby that is falling down. She's standing up nice. And her leaf even stood back up. Look at that. But I think this is an award-winning first-time garden. Yes, look at that.